Okay, this is my nucleus. It's found within the cell nucleus that is concerned with producing its sibling cell ribosomes. This is the nucleus, controls and regulates the activities of the cell and carries the gene structures that contain the hereditary information. This is the nuclear envelope, keeps the contents of the nucleus called the nucleoplasma separate from the cytoplasm of the cell. The rough endoplasmic reticulum function is to produce proteins in the rest of the cell to function. The smooth endoplasmic reticulum is involved in the synthesis and storage of lipids, including cholesterol and phospholipids. Ribosomes, I don't know if you can see it, are responsible for making proteins in the cell. The cytoplasma is to support the internal structure of the cell as well as maintaining shape and consistency of the cell. The Golgi body helps process and package proteins and lipid molecules, especially proteins destined to be exported from the cell. Centrioles, organized microtubules that serve as the cell skeletal system. They also help determine the locations of the nucleus and other organelles within the cell. The mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell. It generates most of the cell. It generates most of the chemical energy needed to power the cell's biochemical reactions. Lysosomes break down excess or run out cell parts that are used to destroy invading viruses and bacteria. Chromatin breaks down chromatin compresses the DNA into a compact unit that will be less voluminous and can fit within the nucleus. Peroxisomes break down organic molecules by the process of oxidation to produce hydrogen peroxide. Forms that follows function means the form of a body part or structure is related to a function. Two examples are enamel is hard and stiff that makes the form unsuitable for a function like connective tissues. Another example is your arm compared to a bat wing, while the bones of two corresponding parts serve different functions in each organism, and their forms have adapted to follow the function.